Hey folks, welcome to the Headstand How-To. My name is Ryan Leier. I'm a global yoga ambassador for Lululemon. I'm about to show you how to stand on your head. To start, first thing is the grip. So when you're gripping your hands for headstand, you interlace your fingers till the webbing on your fingers touches, and you tuck the bottom finger under. So you have a level surface here. Second point is to find shoulder distance with your elbows and to make a triangle. Now if you're brand new to it, you might squeeze here for more stability, but eventually here. So you have an equilateral triangle. So the setup, got your hands down, press your head down. This doesn't move now. Shoulders off the ears, press the wrists wide back, hollow abdominals, walk the feet in. Slowly, slowly, without compressing your neck, bend your knees. Take your heels to your hips, point your toes to the sky. Try to get the pelvis over the ribs. Slowly take your knees to the sky. Allow your tailbone to go up. And then you straighten your legs. Now, make sure you're not doing a back bend, but it's basically Samastitihi or mountain pose upside down. So if you're coming down with both legs, you just need to be very careful that you don't compress your neck. So keep pressing your wrists down, bend your knees, slowly draw them to your navel. Touch your feet down, drop the knees down, and relax. So with this posture, it's a very medicinal pose, and the benefits that you get from it far outweigh the dangers. So be sensitive, be careful, and have fun with your headstand.